and I get it. Do you understand? Like, so maybe it's fair to give it a rest and try other things for now.
No.
But I can't have released an album after everybody has been shouting, Waje, your last album was how many years ago? Please, we need an album. We need it. All the people that were shouting, where are they?
Well, I think at the end of the day, like you said, the fact that this person said this, that's what I'm trying to say.
That's what I'm saying. I don't have the money for let me speak it in pidgin English. I not get the money for publicity.
Well,
I'm not willing. Do you understand, Tolani? Emerald school fees is there. There are things. So it's like I have 10 things laid out for me in front of me, and every single time it's always been my music that has been taking the bulk of the money. I'm not willing to put money there anymore.
Right. Now, this your music that's taking bulk of money. As much as it's not bringing in the amount of money that you want, it is bringing in some money. Right. Do you understand? And